Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another weekend in my life. Today is Saturday. I have some exciting news. I got my first official job. It's a 0-hour contract, but yeah, I'm just really excited about it. It's today by 1 p.m. and I'm just so happy. You guys do not understand. It's been a long time coming. When I did interview for this job, I did not think I would get it because she actually called back to tell me that I did not get it, and then she said, oh, she was going to suggest me for another role that she thinks I fit into, and I'm like, okay. I was sad about the other one, but lo and behold, I prefer this one that she suggested for me, and I'm just so happy. It's a cashier job. I mean, everybody knows that if you move to the UK as an international student, you will have to do the manual jobs first before you get into the corporate world. So you're either doing care or social work or hospitality, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm in hospitality, and I'm going to basically be working as a till operator. So basically a till operator just serve drinks and collect the money. It's just like a cashier role. But yeah, I'm just so happy about it because it was my first interview and I got the job. I was like so sad for the longest time because I was applying and I just couldn't get a job. But I'm just so happy that something finally came true. So today I am just going to prepare to get to work. I have to get there early to get myself familiar because it's my first time. And yeah, I still haven't gotten my voice back. It's been a week now since I lost my voice. It's coming back gradually, but this is not the best. I'm just managing it, and we'll see how it goes. Probably before the end of the week things will be better. But yeah, this morning I'm going to do a little unboxing as well. I got some things from TikTok shop. It's this neck tripod. It's not tripod, but it's something that I can put my phone on and I'll be able to record. So I basically bought it because, as you know, I'm a braider and I've always wanted to do tutorials about braiding or just make vlogs about braiding, but my tripod, I don't really get the angles right, especially like angles facing the air directly. So I feel like the neck thing is going to really help a lot. So I got it from TikTok shop, and because they were offering free delivery, I decided to get a phone case as well. I'd rather use the money to buy a phone case and use it to pay for delivery. So I got those two things, which I'll be unboxing now. Today also I'll be editing some YouTube videos, and yeah, we'll see. But okay, this is the package from TikTok shop. Let's see what is inside. This is the full pouch. It's so beautiful. I got it in color blue, and it wasn't expensive. It was about £1 something. It wasn't up to £2. Oh my god, guys, it's so beautiful. I think I'm going to change my phone pouch into this one ASAP because the other one I currently have is just plain and boring. Yeah, this is it's called neck foam mount. Actually, I know it's not called tripod. Yeah, it's neck foam mount. I'm going to unbox it now. This is what it looks like. I have no idea what I am doing. Okay. Right like that. So I'm guessing it's something like this. So you basically just mount your phone here. Since I'm using my phone to record, so I think it's something like this. You mount your phone here and you'll be able to record like whatever is down. I don't know, I'll try and figure it out later, but yeah, this is just it. I got it from TikTok shop and it wasn't expensive. It was like £11, I think. I'll see how many hair videos I can record with this, and also how to adjust it because this is too long. Alright, that'll be it for this morning. I need to start preparing for work. Feels good to say that. I need to start preparing and I'll see you guys on my way to work basically. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to work now. We are not supposed to use any accessories and that's why I'm not using any earring, chain or anything like that. But this is a fit check. I carried my jacket for support in case there is cold. This UK weather, you never can tell. But yeah, I'm ready. I like how I look. Alright, I don't want to be late and I'll catch you guys later. Oh my god, I look so good. I'm going to my kiosk now. I've just been assigned a kiosk to work. I'm literally just heading home. It's like past 9 or something. I want to get food. Food is life, food is important. If I lift one leg tomorrow, my name is not Buturaya because the way I'm going to sleep in. Anyways, story for another day. But yeah, today was good in general. I will tell you all about it tomorrow and I'm just going to end today here. But just know that I am exhausted. I am very, very tired. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.